We're going to look at calculating probabilities using the standard normal distribution. So with the standard normal distribution, it standardizes scores so that the mean is equal to 0 and the standard deviation is 1. So what this then tells you is what's known as a z-score. And rather than looking at different scales, so for example, if you think about it kind of like VCE, if you have like methods and further, for example, they might have different scores as a standard. I don't know, you might have one being, say, 28 here, one being 25 for your study scores. What this does is it compares both by converting them into a different scale where it goes to 0. Anyone on this side of it is stronger, so then you would have a positive number. This side would be negative. Same with this one. So it converts it to 0. Alright, we're going to look at how we use the CAS to do these calculations. So calculate the values of the following probabilities correct to 4 decimal places. Now, the way we will do it is we will use action or interactive to do it, but I would suggest you use interactive because when you go through it, it will pop up with a menu that will explain to you what you need to do. So we're looking at distributions, so go distribution, continuous, and then we'll just go on CDF, so we won't get it wrong. Now, we want less than 2.5, so we want to start all the way from negative infinity. So negative infinity, all the way up to the value 2.5. Our standard deviation is 1, and then our mean is 0. So then we get 0.0938. Alright, if we want it between two different values, same thing, continuous CDF, we want negative 1.25 and up to 0.25. So then we get 0.7887. Alright, part B. X is a normally distributed random variable such that you have X is a normal distribution, and the way this reads is you have the mean and then the variance. So that means you have a mean of 25 and then a variance. Well, we need standard deviation, so let's just type it in straight away. Because our variance is 3 squared, our standard deviation will be 3. Okay, calculate the probability of x greater than 27, correct to 4 decimal places. So same thing. So our lowest one is 27 because we want it greater than 27, all the way until infinity. Our sigma this time is 3, standard deviation is 3, and then our mean is 25. Alright, so then we get probability of x greater than 27 being equal to 0.2525. Alright, convert x to a standard normal variable z. So what we need to do is we need to convert using the top here. So 27, z is equal to x, which is 27, minus the mean, 25, and then we need to divide it by sigma, which is 3. That gives us 2/3.